Look how beautiful this pastry is. Gorgeous. Now I'll show you another one. Soft as a cotton. Start by putting 1 tablespoon of sugar in a smaller bowl. Add 30 grams of fresh or 8 grams of dry yeast. Pour in 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix and let stand for about 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Meanwhile, measure 750 grams of soft flour. Add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of salt and mix. Add 250 milliliters of water. The activated yeast and 50 milliliters of oil. Mix everything with a spoon. When dough becomes firm enough to knead, remove excess from the spoon and continue kneading by hand. Now, when ingredients are almost combined, take 20 milliliters of oil and pour over dough. When all ingredients are combined and dough absorbed all oil, cover with cloth and let rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, transfer dough to work surface and knead again. Turn like this and divide into 4 parts. Sprinkle work surface with flour, then shape each piece into a ball and place on floured area. Sprinkle each ball with flour, cover with cloth and let rest another 15 to 20 minutes. While waiting, prepare the filling. Grate 300 to 350 grams of vegan cheese. Not all plant-based cheeses are suitable for fasting. Fasting cheese must not contain whey or milk powder, casein or lactose. Read the label. To grated cheese, add ajvar if preferred, or vegan mayonnaise and ketchup as desired. Add enough to bind everything. Now soften 200 grams of margarine. Now back to the dough. Sprinkle work surface with flour. Press 1 dough portion with your hand. And roll in flour. Then stretch out. About like this, roughly 30 centimeters. Set aside. Repeat same process with remaining dough. Stretch last dough portion as much as possible. Then spread with softened margarine. Take another dough portion and stretch slightly with hands. Place in center. First fold bottom part. Then top part. Then one side. Then other side. Continue until all edges are sealed. Press edges slightly, then spread with melted margarine again. Spread 1/4. Margarine again. Finish with fourth layer, applying same way as previous ones. Sprinkle top with flour. Dust all sticky areas before flipping dough. Don't be afraid. Just lift it like this. Repeat same process with this part. Sprinkle with flour. Now shape into rectangle as much as possible. About like this. Roll out with rolling pin. Left and right, up and down. Sprinkle top with flour. Spread with hands. Flip dough again. Flip several times to prevent edges from shifting to one side. Keep edges evenly distributed. Roll out again. When half is rolled out, spread with remaining margarine. Divide margarine into 4 parts for even distribution. Take this half of dough, fold over and seal edges. Be careful when sealing edges for even distribution, as we'll roll out once more before cutting. Shape dough with hands, as much as possible. Place baking tray nearby as reference for desired width. Now roll out thicker side. Sprinkle with flour, continue rolling out. When rolled out, cut into 6 to 8 strips. Press each strip slightly in middle. Spread edges to make filling and sealing easier. Now take filling and spread along each strip. Time to roll. Roll by joining both ends. Seal edges together. Place rolls in greased baking tray. Cut into portions with knife dipped in flour. Cover with cloth and let rest 20 minutes. Optionally sprinkle with seeds. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then bake pastries. Vegan mini pastries are baked. Baking time is 25 minutes. After removing from oven, brush with vegan margarine or oil.